Right, let's try and give a demonstration of this Wallace and Gromit radio, alarm clock and clock. You can see the clock hopefully in the top left there. So yeah, let's give a demonstration. There is, you put the batteries in the bottom here, so it's completely battery operated, and you turn it on here. This the dog bone is the on-off switch, and volume control, so we can turn that up. Now there is a demo, an off button here, which is Wallace's slipper. So if I press that.
Hey up, Gromit. Shall we see what's on the wireless? Hey up, Gromit. Shall we see what's on the wireless?
And you can see the fire. When that happens, the fire actually lights up.
Hey up, Gromit. Shall we see what's on the wireless?
Now the wireless control here, you slide the clock, so from the left to the centre and to the right, and then you can tune it by turning this, be careful what I say here, this little seat, so you can change that to get a reception. And the volume.
Loose up, big lift, all roads, we've been turned up since way back when. These wheels are innocent, new hits, new seats,
there you go.
Hit, story, and you
Hey up, Gromit. Shall we see what's on the wireless?
back of the Chevy with the engine running, just you and me in a trip.
So
Hey up, Gromit. Shall we see what's on the wireless?
I think you can see that that is working. I'll turn that off. Click it off. That is working exactly as you would expect.